Thank you for choosing Borroughs. Follow these 3 basic steps to assemble your new Borroughs Tire Rack. Step 1. Start by assembling the sides of the tire rack unit. Lay out 2 long posts and 4 short side-angle beams. Set each beam firmly in posts with a dead blow hammer to ensure the rivets are fully seated. Beams should be equally spaced with flange facing the top. Repeat procedure for other side. Step 2. Stand both sides upright. Placing the middle set of rack beams first, set each beam firmly with a dead blow hammer to ensure rivets are fully seated. Repeat step for the other 2 beam levels at desired locations, keeping in mind to leave sides protruded at the top level to hold tires. Step 3. Attach wall ties to the back side of the unit. Use dead blow hammer to ensure rivets are fully seated. To finish, place unit against wall and secure with desired hardware. If you still have more questions or want to check out more products, visit our website at borroughs.com.